Hello everyone. Understanding the scope of statistics is very essential, specifically in today's data-driven world. It's a vital skill as it enables critical thinking, it helps to identify patterns and trends, it supports evidence-based conclusion. Let us know more about its scope. Hello everyone. Welcome to our Eco Studies channel. I am Poonam Vora, your instructor from Egypt, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are introducing series for our subjects to give you an insight of our offered courses on our website that will help you prepare for CBSE and CUET examinations. But before we jump into the concepts, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on any of my free valuable videos. And if you like the content, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Now let's get started. Hello everyone. So far you have understood that statistics is the discipline that concerns collection, organization, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of data. Hence its scope is very wide. It presents the facts in numerical figures. For example, recording the sales of a product or various products. It studies relationship between two or more phenomena. For example, in medical science, for collection, presentation, analysis of observed facts relating to causes and incidence of diseases and the result of application of various drugs. It also helps in formulation of policies, as economic policy is formulated by government only after considering and correlating the data regarding profits, dividends, assets, liabilities, incomes, expenditures, and so on. It presents complex facts in a simplified manner and helps in forecasting. For example, stock market results, GDP, sales, and so on. And hence, it provides techniques for making decisions under uncertainty, that is, finding the probabilities for change. So, scope of statistics is descriptive, applied, and inferential. Descriptive statistics implies that the numerical data represents the observations that include a description of the features of population and or samples, organization and presentation of data in a purely factual way using tables, charts or graphs, and drawing conclusions based on the known data, and finally using measures like central tendency, distribution and variance to interpret the data. Statistics is applied statistics in the sense it is applicable to a wide variety of academic disciplines, including social sciences, natural sciences, applied sciences, economics, business studies, medicine, industry, you name any field and statistics is required. It is so because applied statistics focuses on describing the visible characteristics of a data set. It concerns itself with the application of statistical methods and techniques to specific problems in real life. And these techniques are through sample surveys, quantitative analysis for business decisions, quality control, and so on. Let's take the case of application of statistics in medicine. Statistical pulse rate, the body temperature, blood pressure, etc. of the patients helps the physician in diagnosing the disease properly. Not only that, it also helps in testing the efficacy of manufacturing drugs or injections or medicines for controlling or curing certain diseases. It is applicable to business in various aspects. It is applicable in economic policies in various aspects. It is applicable almost in every field of economic activity. After having understood the descriptive and the applied statistics, let's look into the inferential statistics. Inferential statistics uses samples to make predictions or generalizations about a large data set or population based on a sample of those data. It enables to make estimates and predict future outcomes, present final results in the form of probabilities, and draw conclusions that go beyond the available data by using techniques like hypothesis testing, confidence intervals, regression, and correlation analysis. For example, if training is given to the new employees, due to which the average sales has gone up from 1.5 to 2 lakhs. So then hypothesis testing will be done in order to check whether this training has helped the sales to grow or not. So inferential statistics is helpful in making such inferences and such conclusions. I hope you have understood the wide scope of statistics in its descriptive, applied, and inferential form. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master economics and get a higher score in CBSE and CUET examination. With our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the courses for just Rs 999. So, seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires. Like, share and subscribe to Eco Studies channel. Also, drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.